Today, I'm going to teach you how to resolve locked user accounts in Salesforce. This is a crucial administrative task that you'll need to perform when team members are locked out of their accounts due to multiple failed login attempts or security policies. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the setup area. To do this, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface and click on it from the drop-down menu that appears. Select Setup. This is your command center for all administrative functions in Salesforce, and it's where you'll manage user access and permissions. Once you're in the setup area, you'll see a quick find box on the left side of the screen. This search function makes it easy to locate specific settings without navigating through multiple menus. Go ahead and type users into this box. As you type, Salesforce will start filtering the options. From the results that appear, select users. This will take you to the user management page, where you can view and modify all user accounts in your organization. Now you'll see a list of all users in your Salesforce instance. If you already know which user account is locked, you can scroll through the list to find them. Alternatively, you can use the search functionality at the top of the page to quickly locate the specific user. This is especially helpful if you have a large number of users in your organization. Once you've found the locked user, click on their name to open their user detail page. On the user detail page, you'll notice an unlock button prominently displayed. This button only appears when a user account is actually locked, so if you don't see it, the account isn't locked. Simply click the unlock button to immediately restore access to that user's account. The change takes effect instantly, and the user will be able to log in right away without any waiting period. And that's it, you've successfully unlocked the user account in Salesforce. The user can now attempt to log in again, and they should regain full access to their account and all associated data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.